Guys, giving y'all a little update. I'm almost done with it. I still got to finish the sleeves. I still got to add more on the side. But look at it, guys. Look at it. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love the sparkle. So I have to finish adding more fringe to it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I got to add to the sleeves, and then I have the little sparkles on the back. I can't zip it myself, but I got to finish with the fringe right here. Got to finish some fringe right here to make it fuller. Finish the sleeves, but I just want to try it on, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, but I got to finish it. Good night. Did you guys see this that I'm working on? This is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. I'm going to add more on this side. I need a little bit more to fill it in, but this is the prettiest. Oh, I have to turn off the lights for you guys. This is the prettiest thing I have ever seen, guys. So I'm almost done with it. I still got to finish putting the stones on the sleeves, but this take a process. So here it needs to be a little thicker. So if you see this side is thick, so you need to be a little thicker over here. So it is gorgeous, guys. So just want to give you guys an update. It is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Oh, look at my creation. Bye-bye.